Rosemary, a revered herb with ancient origins, has gained popularity in recent years due to its myriad health benefits. Belonging to the mint family, this aromatic plant has been used since Roman times to alleviate headaches, enhance memory and concentration, and relieve digestive issues like gas and constipation. Rosemary's medicinal properties are attributed to its active compounds, including carnosol, rosmarinic acid, and caffeic acid, which possess antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Here are 10 powerful reasons to incorporate rosemary tea into your daily routine. Improved blood sugar levels. Rosemary helps regulate blood sugar levels by increasing insulin sensitivity, ensuring efficient glucose absorption by muscle cells, making it beneficial for those with diabetes. Enhanced blood circulation. Rosemary dilates blood vessels, lowering blood pressure and improving microcirculation, delivering more oxygen to tissues and removing waste products, reducing the risk of heart and brain complications. Digestive relief. Rosemary's antispasmodic properties relax the digestive tract muscles, relieving gas, bloating, and abdominal discomfort. It stimulates bile secretion, aiding in digestion and optimizing the breakdown of fats. Brain function. Rosemary, rich in carnosic acid, improves brain health by combating free radicals, optimizing neural communication, and enhancing memory, concentration, mood, and anxiety symptoms. Anti-inflammatory effects. Rosemary alleviates joint pain, arthritis, and muscle pains by reducing inflammation. Topical application of rosemary essential oil can also reduce pain. Stress reduction. Daily consumption of rosemary tea helps combat stress and improve sleep quality, addressing insomnia associated with heightened stress or anxiety. Immune system boost. Rosemary enhances the immune system, inhibiting the growth of viruses, bacteria, and fungi, reducing susceptibility to infections. Liver detoxification. Rosemary minimizes fat accumulation in the liver, making it beneficial for liver health, protecting against cell damage caused by medications or toxins. Skin and hair health. Rosemary combats premature aging, promotes wound healing, and provides relief from skin conditions like dermatitis and acne. It also helps in managing hair loss conditions like alopecia areata. Eye benefits. Rosemary compounds reduce the risk of age-related eye conditions, slowing down the progression of cataracts and macular degeneration. To prepare rosemary tea, steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh or dried rosemary leaves in boiled water for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain and enjoy hot or cold. While rosemary offers numerous health benefits, it should be consumed in moderation to avoid potential side effects such as digestive issues. Additionally, individuals with specific medical conditions, allergies, or those on medications should consult a healthcare professional before incorporating rosemary into their routine. Remember, this information is for educational purposes, and consulting a healthcare provider is essential for personalized advice on your health and wellness journey.